Good day everyone. So today's session I will be your teacher. So my name is Teacher Jerry E. Orani Jr. So you can call me Teacher Jerry. So this meeting I will discuss another topic. The topic about converting unit of measure and calculating board foot of lumber. So first let me discuss to you the objectives of this topic. So at the end of the lesson, students shall be able to objective number 1, calculate the exact conversion of different unit of measurement. So you are expected to convert correctly the what? The unit of measurement into another unit of measurement. So objective number 2, justify the importance of precision in unit conversion to minimize material waste and ensure cost effectiveness in project budgeting. So again, you are expected to provide a valid reason that explain how important precision to ensure an effective project. So, okay, objective number 3, demonstrate proficiency in computing board foot using standard board foot formula. So, everyone is expected to demonstrate how to compute board foot. So, that is the objective of this topic. Okay, now, before we properly discuss our topic this meeting, let us have first a short activity for you to have an idea what is the topic all about. So all you need to do is to guess the correct word in every given acronyms that will be shown in the screen. Understand? Okay, very good. So number 1. Okay, done. Number 2. Done. Okay. Number 3. Yeah. Next. Okay. So, okay, done. Very good. So, we will check your activity throughout the discussion. So, please listen for you to able to know if your answers are correct. Is that clear? Okay, very good. So, now our topic this session is about converting unit of measurement and calculating board foot of lumber. So, let us talk first about the converting unit of measurement. So, for you to be able to convert the unit of measurement into another unit of measurement, you must remember this conversion guide. First is the feet or FT, 2 inches or IN or N. So, by converting feet into inches, always remember to multiply it by 12. So, for example, we have 3 feet, we have the given 3 feet, you just need to multiply it by 12 for you to convert feet into inches. Is that clear? So, very simple, right? So, the procedure are almost the same to the other conversion of unit of measurements. So, the only difference is the given formula. So, next is the from inches to feet. You need to divide it by 12. So, the given formula is you need to divide it by 12. So, how about the centimeters to millimeter? So, you need to multiply it by 10. From inches to centimeter, you need to multiply it by 2.24. And from meter to centimeter, you need to multiply it by 100. So, and the last is from feet to centimeter. You need to multiply it by 30.48. So, now let's move on to an example of conversion. So, here are some examples on how to convert unit of measurement. So, first, feet to inches. Again, in converting feet to inches, you need to what? Okay, very good. You need to multiply it by 12. So, for example, you have a given 3 feet. So, 3 feet multiplied by 12 is equals to what? Okay, very good, 36. So, the answer is 36 inches. So, that's how you convert in feet to inches. Next, how about in converting in feet in inches to feet. So in inches to feet, you need to what? Okay, very good. You need to divide it by 12. It is the opposite procedure kasi nga binaliktad lang natin yung problem from feet to inches to feet. So that's why from multiplication, nagpumunta tayo sa division. Understand? Okay, very good. Next, centimeter to millimeter. Again, you need to multiply by what? In centimeter to millimeter? Okay, very good. We need to multiply it by 10 because in every 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. That's why we need to multiply it by 10. So, example, you have 5 centimeter. So, 5 multiplied by 10 is equals to 50. So, the answer is 50 millimeter. So, the same procedure but different formula, different given formula. So, how about naman in the inches to centimeter? So, what is the formula in inches to centimeter? Okay, very good. In inches to centimeter, we need to multiply it by 2.54. So, example, we have the given 4 inches. So, 4 times 2.54 is equals to 10.16 centimeter. So, that's how you convert units of measurement to another unit of measurement from centimeter from inches to centimeter. Understood? Okay, since you know how to convert unit of measurement into another unit of measurement, now let us move and discuss what is board foot, what is calculating board foot of lumber. So, ano nga ba yung board foot? What is a board foot? So, a board foot or BF is the standard unit of volume for lumber. It represents a piece of wood that is 1 foot long, 1 foot wide, 1 inch thick, equal to 144 cubic inches. Is that clear? Okay, very good. So, yung board foot, it is originally from United States. So, na-discover ito around 1895 to 1900s. So, doon nagsimula yung board foot of lumber. So, now, let us discuss how to calculate board foot. So, in calculating board foot, there is a given formula. So, what is the formula in calculating board foot? So, BD or board foot equals to thickness multiplied by width multiplied by length, and the result is will be divided into 12. So, that is the formula in calculating board foot. So, first, let us define kung ano yung thickness dito sa board foot. So, thickness, it is being measured in board foot in inches. Kagaya sa width, it is being measured in inches. The length naman, it is being measured in feet. So, yung length lang yung naiiba. So, yung 12 naman, it converts the result to board feet. So, nag-civil converter yung 12, the given 12. So, is that clear? Okay, very good. So, let us try. So, for example, thickness of a board foot is 2 inches and the width is 4 inches and the length is 8 feet. So, based on the given formula, we need to multiply the length, width, and the thickness. So, 2 times 4 times 8 is equals to, very good, 64. And 64 divided by 12 is equals to, okay, very good, 5.3 board foot. So, yun yung way or yung procedure para ma-calculate yung board foot. So, same procedures siya sa dalawa pang example sa baba. So, all you need to do is to multiply the length, width, and thickness and divide it by 12 and makukuha mo na yung board foot. So, any questions? Wala. Sige. Ako na lang yung magko-question. So, why conversion and computation is important? Anyone? Okay, very good. For us not to waste time, and materials. So, another question. In converting the units of measurement from feet to inch, we multiply it by what? From inch to feet, we multiply it by what? Okay, very good. By 12. How about from inch to feet? Okay, very good. We divide it by 12. And how about naman from centimeter to millimeter? Okay, very good. We multiply it by 10. So, next, how about in inches to centimeter? Okay, very good. We multiply it by 2.54. So, in making projects or any works, precise calculation and computation play a very crucial role for you to have a successful output. Is that clear? Okay. Since you're already equipped with the topic, so for your quiz, I will, since we're in online session, I will send a link and you will answer it through the Google form. Also for your application, I will send also a link. So you will do the task in the through the Google form. So give some time to open the links that I will send for you to have your points. So by the way, for the application, your scores will be based on these rubrics. So kindly read the rubrics and for you to have an idea kung paano mabibigyan ng points yung mga task nyo. So, yun lang. Any questions? Clarification? Okay. Okay, thank you. So, that's all.